Good morning, Shawnee, and welcome to the Renegade Morning Show. I'm Connor.
And I'm Michael. Yesterday was Take Your Child to Work Day. We let the kids host their own little man on the street for us. Let's go check that out.
Action.
I'm Mr. Pistone, and this is...
I'm Zoe Pistone.
And we're going to ask a renegade today.
Hello, what is your name?
My name's Maddie.
Nice to meet you. I'm Lily. Who is your favorite teacher?
I really like Miss Keel, Mr. Javert, Miss Annabelle, Miss Kirk, obviously.
Swede.
I'm Zoe.
And I'm Zoe.
Hi. So we want to see your dance moves. Can you do the Cotton Eye Joe with us?
Sure.
Okay. Ready? Go.
I don't even know how to do the Cotton Eye Joe.
Tell me, what do you like about high school?
I like the sports.
Favorite club at Shawnee?
Well, one of my favorite clubs is the Italian club. We get to eat Italian food, talk about Italy.
I like that. I want to be in it. What activity do you think you're most excited for?
Gym, because it's fun. You get to get more space and run.
What's your favorite game and why?
My favorite game is Madden, and because I like to play football.
Probably Fortnite, because I play it with all my friends.
I still have to say 2K, even though I don't play it as much.
I'm Karen.
I'm Sophia.
Would you like to show us your favorite dance move?
For sure.
A little sidestep like this and like this. I call it the dad shuffle. That's all I do.
What's your favorite Fortnite emote?
I'm gonna have to go best mates.
Best mates.
Hey, okay. I'm gonna have to go groove jam. I'm a big jubilation guy.
Hi, what's your name?
John.
My name's Kevin. Okay. Can you make chicken noises?
Of course.
Hi, my name's Kevin O'Neill. What's your favorite sport?
I would say wrestling. It's a lot of technique you gotta put a lot of work in.
Hi, my name is Shane O'Neill. What's your name?
My name's Mason Grabowski.
And what's your favorite teacher?
Miss Marshall.
Thank you.
What's it like to be a Shawnee High School student?
It's interesting. It's definitely a lot of work, but also I like how we have lots of different opportunities to play different things, do different things we want, like, for example, play the saxophone, and they have a good music program and everything, so, yeah.
What are you most grateful for?
I'm most grateful for probably the staff here. I have a lot of really great teachers this year, and I love being here.
Thank you. What's your favorite Shawnee High School memory?
I would have to say Take Your Child to Work Day.
What are you most grateful for?
My family.
My family's health and happiness, and being able to enjoy what I do every day here at Shawnee.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's it like to be a Shawnee High School teacher?
It's so much fun. Our kids are nice, they're really smart, and I love being here.
Wow, the kids were so inquisitive.
Yeah, I agree. So Connor, have you ever seen a really good, bone-chilling, suspenseful mystery?
No.
Well, you're in luck because, drumroll please, I'm happy to introduce to you the premiere of SD, A Mystery.
It was a new year at Shawnee High School, and we had just become sophomores. On such a beautiful, blue, sunny day, you would not expect that in the darkness, trouble was afoot. I was sitting down to begin editing my first video assignment of the year when I noticed the problem. The problem that turned out to be more elaborate to solve than anyone would have expected.
Then, do you know where my SD card is?
No. Did you lose it?
Maybe. I thought I left it by this computer.
You can stop with the voice, by the way.
What voice?
That one.
Oh, right.
Sorry. No problem. Anyways, so you left it on the desk.
Yeah.
And now you can't find it.
Sadly.
So it's a mystery.
I guess so.
I know.
What?
I have an idea.
What idea?
Well, if it's a mystery, then we can solve it like detectives. There are a lot of shady people in this place. Just look at that guy in the corner.
You're right. With all the weirdos and non-weirdos in this place, someone had to have taken it. I guess it's time to investigate.
Wow, so intriguing. I can't wait for the next episode.
Me too. I want to figure out what that mysterious guy was up to.
To my fellow seniors who are sad that we left from Disney, we brought back some Disney magic with you. A special ranking of every Disney movie, or 5 of them.
Ranking every Disney movie Part 1. Snow White is a 6 out of 10. The story is on the simpler side, but I love all the scenes with the dwarves. The animation still holds up even after 80 years. And without this movie, the Disney Animation Studios would not exist. Pinocchio is a 6.5 out of 10. Edges over Snow White on being a better animated movie. It's charming and likable characters. The suffering of children turning into donkeys. Actually, never mind, that sounds terrifying. Fantasmic. Wait, that's not what it's called. Fanta is a great orange cola. Fantasia is a 5 out of 10. It's less of a movie and more of an animation visual concert. At least the music is good. This may be the first controversial take. Bambi is a 4 out of 10. I'm sorry y'all, I love the animals, I think they're really cute, but for the most part, I think this movie is really boring. There really isn't a lot to talk about this movie other than the animals themselves. Oh, by the way, Bambi's mom died. Dumbo! I was going through all the movies in order and I realized that I forgot to do Dumbo before Bambi. Whoops. Dumbo is a 7 out of 10. My favorite movie thus far. Maybe it can be a bit sad, but I love the circus vibe that this movie has. I especially really like Timothy the Mouse. I think he's one of my favorite Disney sidekicks. I have more movies to talk about, but unfortunately we're out of time, so I'll see you guys next time.
You can't go wrong with the classics. What do you think about it, Connor?
I still think the classics are enjoyable, but some of the more recent movies are better.
I would have to agree with that.
Well, before we go, let's go over to David and Kai with their Esports segment.
So for Shawnee Esports, we have 2 different seasons. We have the fall season and the spring season. For both seasons, we have Smash Bros. And Rocket League. In the fall season, we have League of Legends, and in the spring season, we have Valorant. We meet after school every day until about 4, and we play matches on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays.
I like playing games. I like playing games with people, and I like Smash Bros.
It's a lot more social than you'd expect it to be. You meet up with a lot of people who have similar interests to you, and it just kind of makes you connect with other people because it just really makes me feel like I belong with these people.
Is the community building and teamwork you get to do with others, because no matter what game you're playing, you have to work with your team, which is an important skill in general, but also B, something nice to be learned with your, comrades in arms and whoever you end up playing a game with, even if you don't make varsity,
I didn't know we had an esports team. That's so cool.
I know, right?
Well, the boys varsity golf beat GCIT yesterday 149 to 174. Trevor Sieben and Sammy Ciara both shot 36, Connor Breen shot 37, and Ryan Bouchard came in with 40. Record is now 12 wins and 0 losses. They have a game today against Lenape.
Well, that's all for today. Tune in every Monday through Thursday for the Shawnee Wake Up and every Friday for the Renegade Morning Show. I'm Connor.
And I'm Michael. And always remember, Renegades, brush your teeth at least twice a day.